You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this word from French. This is a name. This is the name of a company based in Switzerland, luxury. And we need to hear the French pronunciation and how you can say it in English. In French, it's pronounced Richemont. The T is silent because it's French, and mont is a mount in French, but the T is silent. Riche means rich, so rich mount, as in a mountain. Richemont, the French pronunciation. In English, if you cannot pronounce French, you can pronounce it as Richemont. How to pronounce Richemont from French? Richemont. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.